Okay, guys, so you go into the apstudentscollegeboards.org, then you go down to your class. You go way down to the bottom where it says go to digital portfolio. Wait some more. It's probably going to be close. You can do this on your phone, by the way. It absolutely allows you to. Okay. Wait some more. Okay, then go into your class. You gotta love how simple this is. Agree to the terms that basically says don't plagiarize. Okay.
What if we did plagiarize?
Then I don't know. We'll have to get back to that. Then you're gonna go to sustained investigation, not selected work.
Oh, why is your mouse tweaking?
You're gonna go to images. Under images, you're gonna go way down. And you can drop and drag images in here. And then once you drop and drag it, that's all you need to do is drop and drag it. I would go down and type in materials and processes, but that can be done later. Okay, and I'll be able to review this and then actually send back comments or whatever. But the point being is it helps you to keep all of your work organized. And if you go all the way down, you're going to notice that there are 15 different slides, but that does not mean 15 different works.